Hello everyone, get an orange peel and we need to cut it further, get the beautiful flowers made and then get the leaves made further and make the ladybug as well. Further, get the dry leaves, you need to secure them and paste them around in this manner, get the googly eyes pasted and then over it you need to paste the patterns and then with the help of these shreds you need to keep it ahead. Now here what are we going to do? You have to just paste the feathers like this and make your hen look like this. This is gonna look pretty cool. Make the chicks as well and this is gonna look amazing. Isn't it cool enough? You have to just paste the shreds as well. Now get these leaves, you need to just pull the stud like this and then beautifully arrange them into the form of a butterfly wings and then color them further in this way. This is gonna look pretty cool. You have to just paste it in this way and this will just make it look awesome. Here you have to get the mask and then over it you have to pull it again and then secure the clay like this. Further you need to do it beautifully in this way and this is gonna look pretty cool. Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to just press it further and then arrange them together in this way. Getting it beautifully arranged in this manner, this is amazing. Cool, right? Now here you have to get the clay. Further you need to get these tissue paper attached and your beautiful swans are ready. Decorate the scene further to make it look even more amazing and awesome. Now here get the sticks of earbuds and then make the beautiful flowers. Get the stems and the leaves made. Decorate the scenery further and this is gonna look amazing. Make the honeybees as well. Get the beautiful dry leaf in this way, get the walnut shell and then convert it into a beautiful ladybug and then you need to put it all over the leaf like this and then make the patterns in this way. This is super cool and amazing, isn't it? Now here get the mask, get to get the sheets, wrap them up, get the clay, press it further and then you have to just keep it ahead and then get them beautifully arranged into the form of lovely flowers and these are gonna be alluring. And then here you have to get the bubble wrap sheet, color them further in this way and then what are we going to do? You have to make the tree branches and then with the help of brushes you need to make the grasses ahead. Now here get the egg and shell, you have to do it in this manner, put it ahead and then join them further. This is just gonna look awesome. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the videos. We'll be back with other exciting videos too. Thank you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video and that too the crafting one where we are going to teach you how to make some unique and innovative crafts. Are you guys excited for the same? Let's get started and see what lovely surprises are there in store for you. Are you guys excited? So just chill out and watch over the video till the end. Here you have created the beautiful lovely shapes of carrots. Underneath the eyes, make them little lively and color them further to give it a brilliant look. Now here you have to get some beautiful circles and then over it you have to make the flowers like this and then with the help of earbuds you need to make the patterns. Now get the bunch of earbuds, you have to just spread the colors in this manner and then make the beautiful tree and here you have to make the beautiful lovely scenery in this way. Thank you.